exciting. Not really. Driving to work and running a little behind. I should be at work on time, but I opted to not stop and get gas this morning. So hopefully I'll make it to work. There's my gas needle. I've never run out of gas before. Never. I've never run out of gas. I've never ran out of gas before. Hopefully today won't be the beginning of a new era. Well, I made it to work. I didn't run out of gas. And my car has magically transformed into a pickup truck. No, I swapped trucks. I swapped vehicles. You guys thought that my car really turned into a truck, didn't you? Yikes! I almost got nailed by a Lexus. Wasn't my fault. He was driving really, really fast. Well, I want you guys to meet two of our employees that work here at Little Squirrels Incorporated. They hang out here in our shop/barn. Tapestry, where you going, butthead? Tapestry, get over here. And this is Harley. Hey, buddy. Hey, dude, what are you doing? Harley's like the best cat in the world. Aren't you, dude? Yeah, he's awesome. He's awesome. And Tapestry's a little brat. Come here, kid. Hey, get over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I don't know why that cat runs from me. Just trying to chase it down and give it love. You wanna go? You wanna go? Come on, girl, let's go. She's racing me. I saw the look in her eye. Holy crap, I'm not buckled up. I gotta turn this off before I get a seatbelt ticket. The tiger. I gotta go prepay. I hate that. I look trustworthy. Back on the road again. I can't believe I'm finally on the road again. Something, something, something on the road again. It's pretty good. Now I gotta go buy glue. Well, I'm finally out at the job after picking up fuel and breakfast and glue and all kinds of stuff. They need me. I have to go meet up with the other guys that are part of the company, and I have to climb a tree. Yeah. So I have to go trim some trees for them. I gotta climb that pine tree and trim some limbs out of it. And there's a maple tree further up in the yard that I gotta trim. Let's climb a tree. I'm all geared up. About to head up there. I could have just hit that guy with the tree limb, but I choose not to. Well, it's now time to go grab some lunch. I just got done with these trees. And look, I added another head hole for my shirt. Yeah. So I ripped a big hole in my t-shirt. And I still gotta go eat lunch, so I'm gonna be going in a restaurant with a big gaping hole in the back of my shirt. And I have a scratch on my back, but I'm fine. Just walk it off. Walk it off. Lunchtime! back to building the wall again. So, it's almost done. But now it's time to load up this machine and head home. Thanks, guys. Oh. Hope you enjoyed going to work with me. I didn't enjoy going to work with me. Oh yeah, remember how this morning I was like out of gas? Probably out of gas. Yep. But luckily, I keep gas in my trunk. See if this car will start now. Yeah! Woo! Oh, my life is so exciting. At least for you guys it is. For me it involves a lot of sore muscles and a lot of stuff like this. Okay, bye. Alright, I'm gonna flip and keep the camera on me while I flip. Woo! It was amazing.